Hi students, I'm here today again with the editing of a table. In previous chapters we already learned about how to insert the table. Here we are going to edit the table. In editing of table includes insertion of row, column, deletion of cell, splitting cell, merging cell, and how you give the format or background color to your cells in a table. So they ask us to open the file table2.rtf. This file table2.rtf. then they said place your name in the right of the header, so insert a header. So I'm just going to type my name here and nothing else to be done here. Just remove this one. Let me make the zooming to 100%. Then they ask us to delete the second column and the martial arts row. So what I need to do is I need to delete the second column. So I select the column, then right click. We have an option called delete column. Column is deleted, and the row containing martial art. So just click here outside, row is selected. Now right click, and here we have an option called delete row. So the whole row is deleted. Now what you need to do is insert a new third column with this data. So this is column 1, column 2, column after second column. So I have to click here, right click, and here I have an option called insert. So I need to insert the column towards the right of this column. So insert column to the right, inserted. Now you have to enter this data. So what is that data? That is actually second choice. Now entering the data here. So 1 2 1 2 12, sorry, not 12, 21, and then we have 18 2 here, 13 2, then we have 3 and 10 and 5. That is done. Entry is done. Now here insert a new row between the dance workshop and discover scuba with this data. So between dance workshop and scuba, discover scuba. So you can click here and here as well. If you click here, then you have to right click and insert row below. If you click here in this one's cell, then right click, insert row above, insert it, and you have to type here the information craft workshop. Now the data is 0, then 3 2 3. Yeah, and then what you need to do is you need to merge the cell 2 and 3 on the top row and 4 and column in the top row. So you need to merge the cells, like these two need to be merged. Right click, merge cell, then these two, right click and merge cells. So the merging is done. This is what they ask us only in this table. What that you need to do is with this table. And now I just need to check if there is something else. No, nothing else. So this is how we actually use the formatting of the table. Sometimes they ask you to fill, for example, these the first row with the dark color or any other color. So you need to select your row, and then here we have a bucket option, shading. So click here and the percentage, for example 15%, 20%. In the exam they always ask you from 20 to 40% or 15 to 30%. So you can select one of them. This is what they ask us in this task. Hope you have understand how to format a table. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and if you have any question, please write the comment.